welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial, we will learn how we can create a project where we can develop a PCF control. So before that, we have to make sure that Power Platform Tool extension should be installed in your Visual Studio Code. So I have already installed that. So then open your terminal and I want to create a PCF project under in this session this directory. So I'll switch back to my directory and inside my directory. Inside that I'll create a PCF project using low command. I'm pasting the command. It is pack PCF initialize the project with the namespace MyCompany, and the name of the project is blinking rolling text, and the template I'm using is a field one. So you can add the framework as well using React if you want to specifically design based on particular scaffolding project. This may take some time. You can see that my project is successfully created on this folder, and I must run npm install to download all the dependencies. Let me type. I ran npm install in this folder, and it created all the dependencies under node module folder. So if I head back to my location, here you can see all my npm libraries have got successfully installed. So once this is done, so we have to do npm run build to make sure the project works or not. You can see build is getting succeeded. Build got succeeded. Then we have to run npm start watch. This should open up in a browser. Here we are. So we did create a PCF project. So in the next tutorial, we can see how we can customize this control based on our requirement. Thank you.